again. If this is your first time tuning in with me, welcome. And if you are a returning viewer, welcome back. Guys, I finally found the answer we've all been looking for. A mask-proof makeup routine. I'm so sorry, guys. One that won't transfer your makeup. And you know what? It's quite affordable even. So if you want to see how I done it, keep on watching. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go in with my 4th day rose face milk just to moisturize my skin. Next I'll be going in with the Infallible Mattifying Base Primer by L'Oreal. Sorry man, but this is the side, guys. Believe it or not, I will be going in with the Essence Soft Touch Mousse. This is in the color Toast. Next I'll be going in with the Camouflage and Concealer by Essence also, and as you can see it is waterproof, very important guys. Also we don't need to add any. I usually conceal these areas as well. I'm so used to contouring the nose, so I just done that now. But remember, we'll be having the mask on, so you actually don't need that. I'll just add some more here because I want your eyes to stand out. This is the main focus. It's the only part of you that people can see. So the eyes. The windows to the soul. I'll just be placing this in, guys. That in, right? This next part, very important, guys. I'm going in with a mattifying compact powder. In this time, you can't just apply foundation, it won't be enough. You need to go in with a powder as well. So I'm just going in with a powder brush and I'm going to press the powder into my skin. Will not only add to coverage but also set the makeup in place. Okay. Next, I'll be going in with my Yardley Absolute Translucent Powder. Take my beauty blender and I'm going to apply or set my eyes. I really want them to stand out, as I've mentioned. Place that in as well. What I'm going to do, I'm going to grab this fluffy brush over here. I'm going to take this bronzing color over here. Go in on my eyes. Just add some dimension to the eyes. Alright, so next, I'm not done with the eyes yet, guys. So I'm going to go in. Also not done with the face yet. I'm going to do my brows. I'm going to grab this brow brush. The best thing to do for brows in this time, you can fill it in as well. I'm gonna go in with the smudge brow fix. This is like a wax, so if you have a soap, a lot of people using a soap to create the fluffy brow, you're welcome to use that. The mask won't be touching here, so you can pull in and do everything over here as normal. So I'm jumping in with my Self X Revolution palette, and I'm gonna go in with this lovely pink color over here. Oh, my mirror is dirty. I haven't used this palette in a while though, if I'm honest, so just add a little sparkle. I feel sparkles always just draws more attention to the eye sometimes. So that's what we want. Okay, so I'm gonna go back in with my powder brush and my Yardley translucent powder, and I'm gonna apply it to my whole face. Especially focusing on the area where the mask will be. I'll just add a little bit here as well. Alright. Okay. I'll be adding some bronzer as well, just to the top of the cheekbones, because that will actually still be visible. So I'm grabbing my brush that I usually use for bronzer and just at the top here, just so that we don't look so pale through the mask. So it looks like there's some color to our faces. I'll even just add a little bit of at the top as well. So next I'll be going in with the Essence Lash Princess. This is the green one. It's the False Lash Mascara, or False Lash Effect Mascara. I'm really loving it, by the way. I'll just use this mirror on this palette. I'm gonna jump in with my fan brush, and I'm gonna go in with the NYX Born to Glow palette. I'm gonna grab this lovely pinkish palette color over here, and I'm just gonna try and add some color and shimmer. Like I said, this part will still be showing in the mask, so just on the bone over there. Just gonna go in a little bit, right, so that we don't look so dull. Okay, very important, guys. I'm not gonna do lipstick because no one's gonna see your lips in any case, so I would just put on a lip balm. Whether you say chapstick or lip ice, wherever you're from, I just call it lip balm. We don't need to have dry lips underneath that mask. Just because we can't wear lipstick doesn't mean we can't have nice supple lips. So the last thing I'll be going in with is the Catrice Prime and Fine Anti-Shine Fixing Spray. Okay. Whew. Okay guys, so now for the moment of truth. It's a clean mask that I've got here. Okay, so this part we know, I'm not going to give a lesson on how to put on a mask, but this one with the line goes at the top, right? I'm going to get this on here. She's on. I unfortunately will not be able to do a wear test for you right now as it's very late. However, I'm very confident in this method as I do it myself, and you can try it out and let me know how it works for you. But let's have a look at the moment of truth. So I've been talking, have the mask on, let's have a look if anything's transferred. And there you go guys, it's clean. I don't know if you guys can see, absolutely clean, transfer free. Said a few words, guys. Please remember that everyone's skin type is different. So myself, I have oily to combination skin, and this method works for me. I don't know how it will perform on oily or dry skin, so if you do try it out, please let me know in the comment section below. I'd love to hear from you guys.